ng view, guys.
Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, we are going to
Cebu!
Yay! Actually guys, this is my first time pumunta doon. So hindi ko alam kung anong meron doon. Before anything else, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe para ano nga?
Para yumaman kami.
Para updated ka sa aming latest videos. Let's go! We are waiting for our flight na guys. Wala pala kaming check-in luggage. So napakabilis lang ng aming pagpasok sa gate. And look at this view! Bukid.
Airport delight.
Last night, parang na-insomnia ako guys. Kasi nung tanghali, kape din kami sa parang whole mo lang kukunin yung kape without any interaction sa tao.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to
Ready to fly.
make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt, baby.
So we're here na guys. Amoy Cebu. And we are currently waiting for our Grab. Na binok ni Bea, yung kapatid ni Jeff. Alam mo, pag nasa Cebu ka na, pag nakita mo na tong lechon! X-ray here. Na-shock ako guys, napaka-traffic pala dito sa Cebu. Ang tagal namin sa taxi. Pero so far, ganda ng hotel. Para siyang mga woods and cemento. Tapos, before ka mag-enter sa hotel, mag-scan ka muna ng bag mo dun.
246.
Wow, nice! Very big bed, guys! And welcome, dear Mr. Jeff Brandy. And here is a small office area. Char office! Hi! And look at this view! Wow! Hello, Cebu! Hello, Philippines! Hello, world! Alright, outfit check guys. So I got my outfit from Ukay. This top and this skirt. And my shoes from CH. Binili ko sa Dubai guys. And my sunglasses from Mumusu. Hey! Hindi ko pala nabanggit guys kung bakit nandito kami sa Cebu now. It's because wedding ng cousin ni Jeff. And you know what? Dalawang wedding ang aatindan namin this vacation. This weekend is for cousin ni Jeff na si IC. And the other one, brother naman ni Jeff. Busog tayo nito sa lechon, guys. Eee, excited ako. Actually, may excited ako sa lechon, hindi sa kasal. Kaya may lalabas kami magdi-dinner with the family. I'm not sure if I can take you guys because may mga kasama kaming ibang family for, you know, security purposes. Ano yun? For privacy purposes. Huwag siguro ako magbibideo guys. Pupunta kami sa New Star Hotel. Mall daw guys na high-end. And ito ay bag off. Kasi ito new. Wali. So andito kami guys sa Park Mall. Yun. Park. guys! So actually, pumunta kami sa Cebu para kumain ng potato corner at ng
Zagu!
yes! Very nostalgic, no? Kasi nung college kami, usually ito yung snack namin. Alam mo na, yung nagpapasikat pa kami sa isa't isa, yung naglalab-lab pa kami. Grabe, high-end pala dito lahat talaga. Yung mga restaurant, walang McDo, walang Jollibee, kakaloka. Hi guys! Good morning from Cebu! So today, yung wedding ni Icy and Clayton. And actually guys, last night, late na kaming natapos sa aming mini reunion ng mga cousins. So napagod ako, hindi na ako nakapag-good night guys. And today, we are so excited. Tapos na akong maligo, mag-blow dry ng hair. And I'll do my own makeup and also sa mother-in-law ko guys. Excited ako sa lechon. Kasi unlimited lechon daw guys. Pwede ba ako magdala ng ziplock? So we're here na sa church, guys. This is it. Hi guys! We're here now sa hotel again to freshen up. And we are waiting mag-alas 5 kasi mag-open yung kanilang cocktail hour. Let's get this party started! Yeah! Feet check. Dresses from Vince Camuto. From Waikiki in Dubai. Shoes from Day to Day in Dubai. And also me. Hi! Let's go! So we're currently here sa cocktail hour. So nice guys, kasi ang daming variety ng kanilang pika-pika. They have coffee and also meron silang mga french fries, potato corner. Guys, grabe. Yung kasal, grabe. Grabe guys. Yeah, this is my mother-in-law. Wow, it's really wow. See? Water. We're stepping into the water. So this is their giveaways, guys. Yes. You can make your own perfume. At our perfume, guys. Yay! Grabe yung kasal, guys. Sobra ganda. Artista level. I was really amazed nung first time kong mag-enter. Kasi parang nag-enter ka sa water, na parang nasa Frozen. Parang feeling ko si Elsa ako, guys! And I give up forever to touch you. Ito talaga yung exciting part. Can you see? Good morning. This is our last day here in Cebu and we are here in Sarap with the whole family. Well, actually, kagabi, very late na kami natapos and I'm so pagod na. Pero ilalaban natin to kasi first time natin mamamasyal sa Cebu. Magkano to? Hi, Yin!
Makaon kami diyan eh.
So, ayan guys, yung masarap na mga pagkain.
Pila na, ma'am?
So guys, may mga kamay sila. Anong klaseng kamay yun, kuya?
Kamay na bakal. Amo na niya.
So let's go up! Yin!
Hi guys!
Hi vlog! Welcome to my guys!
Hi guys! Hello.
Hello,
Philippines.
Hello, sa YouTube po ito, kabayan.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Hi, hello po. So, kanina lang guys, nasa Sirao tayo ngayon. Dito na tayo sa Amsterdam. You see? Amsterdam. Hello, Amsterdam. Hi guys! So, we're currently here naman sa may Tops. Ito yung parang taas ng bundok ng mga restaurants. Dito kami magla-lunch with the family. See?
Dalawa po kami.
Ang ganda guys, pero excuse my napakagulong hair. Kasi nga, napapagod ako, wala pa ako masyadong tulog from last night. So see what a view. So nice. Napaka-relaxing guys. And makikita mo talaga ang buong Cebu. Matatapos na namin kumain guys at super busog ko. Ang sarap ng chorizo de Cebu. As in. Hi guys! So now we are here sa Temple of Leia. Yan! You can buy your ticket sa baba. It cost like around 150.
So, dito tayo ngayon guys sa Temple of Leia. Ayan, di ba? Ang ganda. Uy, ang ganda ng view guys. Ayan, ganda ng view guys, no? The best ang view dito guys. Grabe.
Kasama mo the best.
Ayan. I love the view. I love you.
Hi, Yin!
Whoa, whoa. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Now we're seeing Temple of Leia, kung saan ang temple ni Ate Leia. Okay guys, so come, we're gonna show you guys Cebu City with a 360 panoramic view. Come guys, let's go!
Takbo, takbo, takbo! Takbo, dali, dali, dali! Okay, in 3, 2, ready na ba kayo guys?
Ready na ba kayo guys? Let's enjoy the view!
Yes! Yan. Titingnan natin guys kung anong nasa loob ng Temple of Leia. Meron silang grand staircase. Yes. And si Kuya chill-chill na nagpa-piano. Pasok na tayo guys. Dito sa loob ng kanilang museum. Ito yung mga artifacts ni Madam Leia. Of course. The jar, the texture, siguro mga 100 years old na to guys. May mga wines pa. Cross stitch to guys. See? Cross stitch. Galing ah. And also this one. Ang dami nilang mga figurines. Wow. So pretty. So yan. Parang feeling mo nasa Paris ka guys, no? So, may grand piano, library ulit. So, yan yung laman ng kanilang temple. Two sides at the grand staircase. Yung nasa labas, yun, meron silang small cafe. Pwede ka mag-chill. 360 view ng Cebu. Actually guys, parang same siya sa Armenia. Ano nga tawag doon? Yung
Garni Temple.
Garni Temple. Pero ito kasi may laman sa loob.
Yung Garni wala.
Yung Garni wala. We are going home guys. Yan yung play namin. Pagod na pagod. Pero laban pa rin.